So last night before I went up to the house, I took some of this clear coat and I sprayed it inside the pot here. My goal is to try to make this stuff a little more rigid, where maybe it won't stretch as much. But the goal today, some of it leaked through, is to cut this around. See, this is the part that goes over the pot, and this is the inside of where the ring is right there. So my goal is to cut this all around this edge, so that, because this is going to be my pot. And then after I cut that off, I'll take some of that clear coat and I'll spray this side. Let's see if I can find a place to sit you. Maybe if I sit you right here and have you looking down. Yeah, that's not going to work. Let's try this. I should have brought a magnet or something. Let's try if I sit and wrench on the back of you there. Kind of. Maybe that'll work. So I need a very sharp knife. And I need to go slow because I want to cut this without cutting this here. Probably keeping this knife blade kind of short is a good idea. So I'm going to spray this whole thing with this clear coat, like I did the other day, and then I'm going to leave it sit. Honey Babe's leaving the state today. She's going out for a wedding out in Colorado. I'll be taking her to the airport after a while. So I wanted to get this done. And then when I come back, I can tighten this a little bit more. Right. I feel like I do the happy dance while I'm doing this. Down corner, out in the street, Willie and the poor boy playing dancing to that fancy beat. That's good enough. Down corner. We'll see how that does. That looks a lot like fiber skin. Okay. We'll come back. I suppose I could go ahead and take a look at this part here, see how that's looking. Oh, that's good. Seems to be drying up pretty good. There's a few spots here I wasn't too sure about, and they probably need more time drying. Right in here. I think I might use this for a photo, a before and after photo. I'm pretty sure I can pull out a picture of this thing before I started working on it. And then put this one out there. Oh, the joy. Put that right there. Now can we see Buddy on that? Where's Buddy? There's Buddy. Oh. You ready to go for a ride? Okay, here we go. Whee. Here we are. Whee! That's my boy Buddy. Okay, Buddy. Let's go see what we can get into, okay? Look at Daisy. That's my baby. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, there's Buddy. Uh-oh, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? We're going to run? We're going to run? Whee! 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 Whee!
There she goes.
Wow.
There she goes.
Wow, Buddy. Wow.
Go get her.
There she
Go
comes. Whee! Whee! Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Hey, be nice. Be nice.
What? What?
What? What?
I'm playing.
What?
I'm playing. It's funny play. Oh.
Whee! 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 Hey.
Get it out of the system.
Hey. All right, she gets
Go,
after
Daisy,
you.
go. Atta girl. Whee! Go, Daisy! Okay.
You wanna ride?
Run.
You wanna ride on the golf cart? Here we go. Whee! Hey y'all. I hadn't been out much today. I worked some down here yesterday, but it was, well, not much. Actually, it was, I've been trying to think how all these snow days went. I had one day where it snowed a little, and I thought it was going to be fine, but then I decided it was too yucky. Kind of got my golf cart stuck. I went, oh, there's Buddy. He wants to get in, and I'm going to let him in. I'll take him to ride down the hill with me. This is moving on the snow pretty good right now. When there's certain stages of the snow like this where the snow hasn't melted and refroze and it's not quite so icy. You want to come up? Come on, Buddy. You come on up. Yeah, we're gonna go down the hill here. Whee! Sometimes it's a little bit hard to drive with him sitting in the seat there, and I don't want to knock him out with my elbow, but I also don't want him to jump out or fall out. One day he just kind of leapt out when we were going down the hill and scared me. There's Buddy. There's Daisy. Hey, Daisy, you coming down here with me, ain't you? Yeah. So this is pretty nice snow to drive on here. The snow will give you a little traction if it's still snow and hadn't turned to ice. Like I was saying, I went somewhere the other day and got stuck, and the snow had fallen on the leaves, and I had to rake the leaves out and rake a trail where I was going to get to come back up the hill because the snow was sitting on the leaves. I hadn't done anything down here today. I didn't start the heater because I didn't think I was going to be down here. We had like 2 or 3 inches of snow on the ground this morning. But I did have a jug of this putty. And I've got a few things up at the house that I feel like being in the warmer, in the heated room would be better for them. This stuff here has dried up, but I'm thinking this is going to be some water-based putty, and that I can take it to the house and put a little water in it, get it to loosen up. Good boy, you stayed right in the seat there, didn't you? So yeah, yes, Daddy, I did. So we'll head back up to the house. But what I've been doing is making videos up there, catching up. Some days it's just a good idea to spend some time in the house catching up on videos, and I've been doing that. But I'm all set tomorrow to come down here in the morning and get started working. But I thought if I got that putty up there and loosened it up, I may not need it tomorrow, but if I get it fixed, it'll be good for when I do need it. I've got my little Toyotas in the garage up there. Usually I keep this up there, but I put it in there so it wouldn't get kind of buried in the snow in case I wanted to get out, although it wasn't likely I'd be driving it. And of course I got my big Toyota. Can you get out of there okay? Okay, buddy. Whee! This is fun, ain't it? Whee! Said, Daddy, I love being outside with you. I let him outside a while ago, and I went back in to get my shoes, and he's like, he wanted to come back in. I said, Daddy, I don't want to be here out without you. I don't want to be out here in the cold just for myself. I'd rather be out here playing with you. That's because I love you, Daddy. I love you, Daddy. I love you, Daddy. This one is a good one for the snow, but I hadn't really wanted to. I don't have any need to drive in it. You know, I drove a truck for many, many years. I drove up in Maine, drove up along the Canadian border, and over up into Canada. And I've had enough of it. I don't need the excitement of going out in the snow, because I've spent enough time doing it for a living. So I don't need to do it for fun. So I'm going to take this stuff, and first I'm going to let it, it's probably frozen and dried up. First I'm going to let it thaw out, and then I'm going to probably add a little water and try to stir it. So that's all I was doing with that. I'll do more later. I've still got a video to upload from this morning. I spent some time playing some banjos this morning. Look how pretty you are, boy. Look how handsome you are. Say, Daddy, I'm the best dog. Well, I don't want to say the best dog, because I've had some really fine, handsome dogs, good dogs, yeah. But you're a darn good one. Yes, you are. You a good one. I wonder what's going to happen when we get to heaven. I wonder if all of my dogs. I'm going to have a whole bunch of dogs when I get to heaven. How cool is that? I'll have Zachy, and I'll have Charlie, and I'll have you, and I'll have all the dogs I had back when I was a little kid. When I was a young feller. I'll have that little dog that used to go with me truck driving back in the day when we used to do that. Oh, we having good times. You looking forward for supper, ain't you? I know that he's got an internal clock, and when we get within an hour of his time for supper, he's looking at me like, Daddy, don't forget, Daddy. I'm waiting for it, Daddy. I want you to give it to me, Daddy. I want my supper. I want my supper. Because when supper comes in the evening, he gets a little chicken in the bowl, and he likes the little chicken. Just excites him very much. Yes, it does. And Daisy's out there. I'm pretty sure she's waiting for Mommy. Mommy's in Colorado right now, so Daisy really wants her to come home, and it's hard to tell Daisy that she's not going to come home for another couple of days. So we just have to do the best we can here. All right. I'm going to cut this camera off. Is that okay with you, buddy? I don't care, Daddy. Love y'all.